CFL everyone, November 2025 candidates. You guys got your results yesterday, and I have a very special slash important message for you guys. Whether you passed or whether you failed, this message or this video rather is a must watch for all of you. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanishka and I hope you all are doing good. Today's video especially for my CFL level 1 November 2025 viewers. You guys got your results yesterday. It was a big day, and whether you passed or whether you failed, I have something very important, a special important message that I want to share with you. So please make sure that you watch this video till the very end. Let's get started, but before that, if you're new to this channel, then please take 1 second to hit the subscribe button. If you've ever liked my work even a teeny tiny bit, then please join the community by subscribing to the channel, and while you're at it, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And for the very kind people who have already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for joining me in my journey. I hope we stay together till the end of time. Okay, first of all, it was a very big day for all of y'all. Whether you passed or whether you failed, I truly believe that this is a moment that you guys will not forget for a very long time. The passing is a joy that you'll hold close to your heart. The failure is a lesson that you'll hold close to your heart. Even if you unfortunately failed, I just want to tell you before I come to the people who passed, for everybody who failed, understand one thing. While I'm very sorry for what you're feeling, because I know it's a very pathetic, horrible feeling. You feel so low, you feel so numb, you feel something that you can't even explain to anybody, right? Because not everybody can understand. In fact, barely anybody can understand the sacrifices you've made to be where you are, right? Nobody understands the sacrifices, be it physical, emotional, mental, personal, everything, financial, that you had to undergo to give this exam. And in spite of all that, when it did not clear, it is obviously a painful feeling, right? There are possibly 100 reasons why you did not clear the exam, and we will get to that at a certain point in your journey. But for now, just acknowledge it. Just understand that yes, it is a painful moment. I know it is easier said than done, but you have to accept one thing, that this one failure is not going to be the end of your career. It's not going to be the end of your life. Eventually, you will come out of it, right? Of course, this moment is something you will remember. The lesson will stay in your mind, but you will recover from it. One day, you will realize कि शायद जो हुआ अच्छा ही हुआ. अच्छा हुआ कि पहले ऐसे हुआ फिर आप पास हुए. अच्छा हुआ ये हो गया ताकि आपको एक बेटर पाथ मिल गया. जो भी होता है ना लाइफ में, इवेंचुअली अच्छे के लिए होता है. आई नो एट दिस पॉइंट आई एम जस्ट साउंडिंग लाइक दैट ज्ञानी बाबा टू. आपका दिल कर मुझे थप्पड़ मारने का, मार देना. बट आई जस्ट नीड यू टू नो दैट it was a tough exam, right? Literally, not even 50% of the world clears it. So you are still like in the majority, right? It's not कि आप कोई rare इंसान हो, आपको बहुत ज़्यादा अपने पे लेने की चाहिए कि मैं शायद incapable हूँ या I am not the person capable. No, because it's not just you. More than 50% of the world hasn't cleared it, and it sometimes happens. Sometimes hard work, even though you've done, luck हो जाता है. That day you're anxious. It could be a million reasons, but it is what it is, and you will have to move on from it, because unfortunately this is life. Unfortunately, this is not going to be the last failure you're failing, and this is also not going to be just the start of the failures you're going to failing. इसके बाद successes भी आएंगी. And I promise you guys one thing specifically, whenever you guys decide to give this exam again, if you do, when you pass, you guys will value it more than anybody else. You guys will cherish it more than anybody else, because you know what it has taken you to receive that. Until then, please stay strong. I know all of you will come out of it. I have another special thing, some important tip to tell you, but I will tell you in the end of the video, so make sure you stay till there. Before that, let me address the people who have passed the exam. Guys, congratulations. My heartiest congratulations to every single person who has passed. It is a moment to take pride in, right? Cherish it, hold it close to your heart. I'm sure आपसे ज़्यादा your family members might be excited. It usually happens. You take a day or two to sink it in, while the family members have already rejoiced and partied. ऐसे होता है, and that's a great feeling, right? So soak it all in up. Feel proud that all your hard work has been rewarded for. Feel grateful. Thank the universe, thank God, thank whatever higher source you believe in, because believe me, not everybody gets to witness what you've done. Sometimes even people who work maybe just as hard as you also haven't got what you've got. So there is definitely some higher power that's with you. Thank them. Be grateful for this moment. Please do not take it for granted. And I truly hope that you continue to always get successes like this. You continue to work hard like you did, and may all your hard works always pay off like this. And I specifically say this for this exam because the CFA exam, everybody is like, ये तो बहुत easy है कि exam ही है कि ये, but no, it's not. Nobody really understands what you go through to give this kind of a professional exam, right? There are multiple sacrifices. It's an expensive exam, financial sacrifices. Personally, you have to cut off from people. Socially, you have to cut off from people. Mentally, you're a mess. Emotionally, you're drained. Physically, it impacts you. It impacts you in so many ways that you can't even explain. So anybody who tells you, yeah, एक exam है, तो tell them to shut up. For both passing and failing, tell them to shut up, because literally they will never understand what you've gone through, right? And I just want to tell you that feel so proud of yourself, all of you, whether you passed, whether you failed. Specifically, of course, if you passed, but even if you failed, because believe me, I'm saying this with utmost honesty, even other teachers would believe this. Not even like half the people in the world have the courage to even decide to sit for this exam, because they fear failure. But you guys have gone all out, and then you've passed. And even if you failed, that's okay, but you guys went and decided to give an exam like CFA. It takes guts. So please applaud yourself if nobody else is doing it, because you truly deserve it. And you know what, let me do it for you all. Excellent courage, and this courage is already taking you ahead in life, whether or not you believe it. Now, a very important point that both you guys need to know, whether you passed or you failed, is that please do not take any hasty decisions. I know a lot of you all right now are already thinking of what your next step should be. Should we give level 2 if we passed? Should we give level 1 again if we failed? When should we give level 1 again? Should we sit for August? If we have only a few days to decide what to do. Guys, relax. Understand, first of all, your mind needs to be in a balanced situation. For everybody who passed, you're possibly in a very over enthu position. For the people who failed, you're possibly in a very low mood. Come to the balanced point first, and then decide to take a decision. Whenever you take a decision, please be practical. Understand what's happening in your life. Are there any other opportunities that are knocking? Maybe a job, maybe an MBA, maybe something else. Are there any personal commitments that are coming? You're getting married, your sibling is getting married, family mein kuch hai, an event, blah blah blah, whatever it is, financial constraints. Take everything into account and take a practical decision. Do not take an emotional hasty decision. It will lead you to nowhere. Take a day, take 2 days, take till Friday if you want, maybe take till Monday if you need, but take a very informed decision. Do not just rush into something that you will regret later. Even if you guys have passed, do not overestimate yourselves. And if you guys have failed, please do not underestimate yourself. Or sometimes even people who fail actually end up overestimating themselves. Analyze your results, analyze what went wrong, analyze what went right, and then take your decision. Please, I've seen so many people take a hasty decision after their level 1 and end up in a very bad position. You guys, majority of you all right now are very young, still in college maybe. Please do not rush into anything. कोई rat race नहीं चल रहा है, कोई आपसे आगे नहीं बढ़ रहा है. You are all in the place or in the time where you have to be, and you will still be in the place and time where you have to be. So please do not किसी के देखा देखी में try to rush something and mess things for yourself. That is all I want to tell you all. And yeah, we've come to the end of this video. Once again, kudos to all of you who decided to sit for the exam. That itself is a big deal. For everybody who failed, you guys are stronger than you know it. I promise you, you are. Even if you can't see it today, but you truly are. And for the people who passed, congratulations once again. Cherish it, live it, feel it, soak it in, and do not forget to say that thank you to the higher source that you believe in. I'm done with this video. If you liked it, do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Until then, keep sparkling and definitely keep learning.